Hey guys, this is Naman Mittal welcoming you all to Daily News Nuts, an initiative of Prep Nuts. Today the date is 22nd of June 2020 and here we shall be seeing all the articles that you must go through from the exams perspective. आज near about 6 articles हैं हमारे पास from the Hindu, 2 from Indian Express and 1 from PIB. In total, we shall be seeing near about 9 articles today. Coming on to the front page of Hindu, there's news that armed forces given free hand to respond to situation at LAC. So although there is not much to be extracted from here, but these kind of articles help you develop the overall timeline of the important and the crucial event. There is mention that the armed forces of India are said to have been given a free hand to assess the situation on the ground along the line of actual control. Army has also revised its rules of engagement, which are strictly regulated as per the border agreements of 1993, 96 and 2005. Then there is mention of the strategic deployment of some of our equipments like the Sukhoi 30, MiG-29, Apache heavy attack helicopters and the Chinook heavy lift helicopters. So again, I will say that this article is not relevant from the exams perspective, but going through this will help you develop a timeline and also will give you some of the measures that the government has taken during the standoff between India and Chinese troops at the LAC. Moving on to the next article now. Secrecy of ballot is key to free and fair elections, Supreme Court. तो इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के डिसीजन को चैलेंज किया गया इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड इन दैट डिसीजन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज हेल्ड दैट द सीक्रेसी ऑफ बैलेट इज द cornerstone of free and fair elections, and even a remote or distant possibility that a voter can be forced to disclose for whom she or he has voted would act as a positive constraint and a check on the freedom to exercise of the franchise. So principle of secrecy or the secrecy of ballot is a constitutional democracy enjoyed by each and every voter of India, and it is derived from the Representation of People's Act section 94. So the only important thing that you must keep with yourself is the headline itself of this article. Along with this, from the prelims perspective, you can take note of one more point, that the secrecy of ballot is a privilege which will end if the voter decides to reveal his or her vote to the another person. So it depends upon the discretion of the person, but that particular person cannot be compelled or forced to disclose his or her vote. So to expunge any sort of confusion, the clarity is mentioned out here. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल नाउ, लॉस्ट इन क्लैरिफिकेशंस. इस आर्टिकल में इंडिया चाइना ऑनगोइंग बॉर्डर टेंशंस के रिस्पेक्ट में इंडिया की स्ट्रेटेजी को क्रिटिसाइज किया गया है, एंड यू गेट सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम हियर टू क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट्स मूव, लाइक देयर हैज बीन अ पुअर कम्युनिकेशन फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट्स एंड एन एब्सेंस ऑफ टाइमली एंड क्रेडिबल इंफॉर्मेशन. सो पीपल ऑफ इंडिया आर बीइंग kept in dark as the government is not disclosing the details. Although it is right, then when a matter is of national security, there can be situations when information is hidden or not properly revealed to the general public. But this matter being of great concern and huge speculations doing rounds across the country and across the world, the government of India should come out with proper details with respect to the ongoing tensions between India and China. So this is a small but an important criticism that you get with respect to the governments dealing with the ongoing tensions. Moving on to the next article, members as numbers. तो राज्यसभा के इलेक्शंस अभी हुए for the 19 seats that were vacant, and here again there are few points which will help you to assess the relevance of the Rajya Sabha, as there is mention that the Council of States institutionalizes the sharing of power between center and states under the India's federal structure. So these are some of the powerful effective phrases that can be utilized by you to showcase the relevance of the Rajya Sabha. On the other hand, there has been mention of some of the criticisms as well of the Rajya Sabha which have been noticed in recent years, like the steady ingress of celebrities and business tycoons, which have undoubtedly not made any serious contributions to the Rajya Sabha's working. And also the government of the day has been criticized for using the Rajya Sabha, for bypassing the Rajya Sabha by labeling bills as money bills. So only important part from the exams perspective is mentioned on the second half of this article, and you can quickly go through these points. Next article is fighting a double pandemic. So impact of COVID-19 and the lockdown on the various sections of the Indian society हम काफी टाइम से देखते आ रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे एक इम्पैक्ट की बात करी है ऑन दी विमेन. तो ये सारे इम्पैक्ट्स हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं, बट these points will help you not only to quickly revise all those impacts, but will also give you some of the examples to substantiate your point, so that you don't sound generalistic whenever you talk or write about this impact on the various sections of Indian society. इस आर्टिकल में जो भी इम्पैक्ट की बात करी है, they are mostly at the global scale, and there is not much to be extracted from here. If you go through the highlighted part, that would be suffice. Moving on to the next article now. China policy lacks perspicacity. इस आर्टिकल का अगेन सेकेंड हाफ इंपॉर्टेंट है, wherein China's strategic objectives are mentioned. Although most of these points have already been covered by us on a Cracknets initiative, wherein we have discussed the ongoing tensions in detail. However, you can go through these points for quick revision and also to add some of the new ones to your notes. Four major objectives of the China are mentioned here. Like, China wants to ensure that India understands that it is not in the same league as China. So it wants to clearly differentiate and let it know to India that you are different from us and cannot be like us in the near future. Second is the warning to India to not to actively oppose the Chinese designs by participating or align with the US and its allies. So ये point Quad को refer कर रहा है, wherein the India has allied with the US and other nations to make Indo-Pacific region an area of strategic importance. Next is that China wants to keep India preoccupied with its problem so that it cannot act as an alternate pole of power. And the last is that by doing so, China in reality is supporting Pakistan economically and militarily. इस आर्टिकल का कंक्लूजन भी बहुत इफेक्टिव एंड पावरफुल है. The crux of which is that although highest level political engagements have taken place between India and China, despite of that, if we are facing a situation like this, then it is our incorrect perception with respect to the China, because China is India's long-term adversary. In future, India should adopt policies to neutralize the China's diplomatic and military clout in the Asia-Pacific region without making India appear as a surrogate for other powers. So India should not be used by other powers like US, and instead should act independently by leveraging its strategic autonomy of decision making in foreign policy, especially with respect to China. Now let us quickly see our two articles from the Indian Express. Model village scheme hit by lack of interest funds ministry study. So the scheme was launched by the Prime Minister, that is the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, wherein members of parliaments were asked to adopt one or more villages in their constituency and turn them into model villages. So a recent study conducted by the Ministry of the Rural Development has come out with a report which has said that the impact of Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana has not been perceptible. So from here you get a criticism for this scheme and also an excuse to study this scheme, as it has a novel objective of turning few of the villages as model villages, which then can act as a lighthouse for the rural development of India. तो इस स्कीम का ऑब्जेक्टिव बहुत अच्छा है, but इसका implementation नहीं हो पाया है due to several reasons. Like, the concept of the scheme has not percolated down to the field officials. At many places it has been observed that there has not been convergence of various other schemes like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan with that of the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. And also there has not been an aggressive adoption of the villages by the members of parliament. So on the part of the members of parliament, there has been a lack of interest with respect to this scheme. And so there is need to renew this scheme by plugging all these loopholes, as it has potential to turn around the rural development of India. Moving on to the next article now. What changed in India-Nepal ties? ये आर्टिकल आपको एक क्विक ब्रीफिंग देगा अबाउट द इंडिया नेपाल टाइज, हाउ नेपाल वाज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन इंडिया, हाउ नेपाल ट्विक्ड इट्स फॉरेन पॉलिसीज फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ इंडिया, एंड व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड द नेपाल्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स इंडिया, wherein now it has become aggressive and is openly flouting India's commitment to the development of Nepal. So इस आर्टिकल को आप एक क्विक रीड दे सकते हैं just to get a glimpse of the India and Nepal ties, although the same aspect has been covered by us in a Cracknets initiative initiative wherein we have discussed Kala Pani dispute. Moving on to our last article of the day from the PIB, detection of fluorine in hot extreme helium stars solve their evolution mystery. So from science and technology and prelims perspective, you should be aware about the extreme helium star. So extreme helium stars are low mass supergiants which are devoid of hydrogen. तो इसका evolution एक mystery था काफी टाइम से, which has apparently been solved now as the detection of fluorine has substantiated its evolutionary theory. So from this article you should be aware about the extreme helium stars, as a direct question on prelims can come from this, and from mains perspective this article is not of much relevance. So with this article we shall wrap up the daily news nuts of the day. Screenshots of all the articles have been posted on a Telegram channel. You can download them from there and organize them in your Evernote or OneNote like similar apps. Post your doubts, suggestions, queries in the comment section below. Keep learning guys. Thank you.